Makerspace Studio hosted a Valentines Day gift making workshop where students could make custom greeting cards and trinkets using 3D printers. I spoke with event organizer Hannah Tardy about their love for the holiday and motivations for the event.
And I also think it's really important to encourage students to celebrate love. And I want the makerspace to be like a place where people feel really like open and collaborative about expressing themselves.
Temple students got to create thoughtful gifts with the help of 3D printers.
I used the 3D printer to make some hearts with a customized message for some of my friends.
Makerspace Studio offers faculty, staff, and students access to 3D printers, laser, and vinyl cutters Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Tardy says that you don't have to be an expert to participate.
Everything that we have in this space, we have tutorials and one-on-one help that we can give to get you situated with the machine.
The Makerspace will continue to host crafting events throughout the semester, so keep an eye out. Reporting for Temple Update, I'm Nicole, Williamson-Rouse.